Now, Coach, I know you are very passionate about the crypto market. Can you tell us a high-level overview of what's happening in the crypto market?
Yes, the crypto market tends to mimic what's happening in the stock market. And since the beginning of 2025, we've seen that the stock market has been on a downward trend. But if we look at crypto, I think Bitcoin went as high as 102 or 103 just last week. And now it went as low as $91,000 or thereabout. But
Yeah.
in the grand scheme of things, as a smart investor, I don't even look at that. Why? This has the potential to go as high as 150, 160, 200. Again, this is not financial or investment advice. It's just looking at the history. If you look at when we had the previous cycle, the previous halving in 2020, we saw Bitcoin went as high as $69,000. But this cycle, it's already way much higher than that. And that was only 4 years ago. So again, I was reading this article from Dallas Maverick owner, what's his name? Mark Cuban. And he was just saying that, hey, it's better to hold Bitcoin than gold as a store of value, as a store of wealth over time. Because why? Bitcoin is the hardest form of money. Hardest, meaning that there's the fixed supply. And as a smart investor, if something is fixed and I know that the demand is increasing, a smart thing I'm going to do is to just allocate a portion of my wealth into this. I was listening to Anthony Scaramucci, the same thing. He has over 50% of his net worth in Bitcoin. Commenting that this is what you should do. Just saying is that take some time to just learn about crypto. Because why? Bitcoin is here to stay. Bitcoin, Ethereum, we have other ones. We have Solana, we have Cardano. Not recommending any of this, but I'm just saying that it's time to start educating ourselves about crypto, about Bitcoin, because this is one of the assets that the ultra wealthy are just literally packing their money into. If we look at the market cap for gold, I think it's in the trillions, if I'm not mistaken.
Yeah, that's right.
And Bitcoin is only maybe 2 or 3 trillion. It's not even up to 2 trillion yet.
Mhm.
And this is the hardest form of money, meaning that the supply is already fixed. And if the demand keeps coming in, it just means that the price is going to trend upward. It doesn't mean that there won't be corrections over the years. There will be corrections. But if you look at 2020, Bitcoin was still 3,000. 2021, it went as high as 69,000. Now in 2025, we're already at neighborhood of 100 and something thousand. Where is it going to be at the end of 2025? I don't know. But I want to believe that it could be higher than where we are today. I'm not saying that you should put all your wealth into Bitcoin or into crypto. I'm just saying, take some time to just learn about this new asset class because it's a smart way to just put your money long term. Like, don't even think of, oh, I just want to buy Bitcoin today, then I'll sell next month. No, this is something that I would say you buy and you hold. It's a good store of wealth. Don't store your wealth in cash or
No.
in a savings account or fixed deposit because of inflation and devaluation. I won't do that. But Bitcoin, yes, that is the finest form of just building wealth over time, just to
Mhm.
preserve your wealth over time. So that's all I'm going to say for Bitcoin or just crypto in general, because
Mhm.
we're just starting the year and a lot of people might still be sitting on the sideline when it comes to crypto. But I'm always going to say, educate yourself about this crypto space. And the moment you understand the game called crypto or just money in general, it's a no-brainer. You're going to start allocating some of your wealth into it. So that's just my take on crypto this week. And if you have
Yeah.
any question, you can always leave it in the comment area below.